A pleasant morning, sir, ma'am. I'm Rick Sirigon P. Marquez, 17 years of age, from Barangay Loreto, Susuan, Ilocos Norte. I started to feel the gift of life when my parents, Essex I. Marquez and Perla Parilla Marquez, gave me the chance to see and experience the life surprises. With me are my three angels, Pixie Jade, PX Gold, and Fox Diamond, who are always there for me. Well, I'm just a simple type of guy who loves a lot of adventures in life, though sometimes shy type one. I always love to play basketball, as well as listening to my favorite songs, which makes my world rock. As far as education is concerned, I graduated on my primary years at Sosan Central Elementary School, while Sosan National High School during my secondary years. At the moment, I'm studying at Northwestern University, taking up my second year Bachelor of Science Maritime Marine Transportation. For any information, just call me in this number, 0920-4373068. Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation.